The Gemini Exchange offers a streamlined platform designed to make cryptocurrency trading accessible, whether you're an institution, a business, or an individual investor. What stands out about Gemini is its versatility, from beginners just getting started with a simple interface to advanced traders using the ActiveTrader platform. There's something here for everyone. It supports trading in over 60 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, and provides the tools necessary for users to trade confidently and efficiently, all within a clean, intuitive user experience. For institutions, Gemini really shines. The platform offers advanced features like sub-account management and flexible user roles, allowing fund managers to oversee multiple portfolios seamlessly. Plus, APIs and WebSocket feeds are available, enabling businesses and institutional investors to connect their own trading software directly to Gemini for fast, efficient access to market data and execution. Tools like advanced charting, multiple order types, and deep order book visibility on ActiveTrader give professional investors significant control over their trades. The inclusion of secure custody options and an EOTC platform, which allows for large trades with deep liquidity and competitive pricing, makes it an appealing choice for hedge funds, fintechs, and banks that need a robust crypto trading solution. Where Gemini excels for everyday users is in its simplicity. The default interface makes it easy to execute basic trades, set up price alerts, and track market movements without feeling overwhelmed. For those who want to dip their toes into crypto trading, signing up is straightforward, with an account request process taking around 20 minutes and compliance reviews under 7 business days. Adding funds is convenient too, with options for ACH, wire transfers, or transferring crypto directly from an external wallet. Users can also choose between the default interface for casual trading or upgrade to ActiveTrader for more advanced features as their comfort and experience grow. This flexibility makes the platform scalable for evolving needs. That said, Gemini is not without its downsides. While the platform's advanced tools are fantastic for pros, beginners might feel limited by the lack of any extensive educational resources or hand-holding for navigating the often intimidating world of crypto. Additionally, active traders may find that its fees are slightly higher compared to some competitor platforms, cutting into potential profits, especially during frequent transactions. Lastly, like all cryptocurrency platforms, Gemini's success is inherently tied to market volatility. While it's a powerful tool for building exposure to digital assets, users must carefully manage their risk as crypto values can fluctuate significantly. In summary, Gemini Exchange positions itself as a well-rounded crypto trading hub that caters to novice and professional traders alike, while also providing key solutions for institutions. Its flexible design, variety of features, and focus on security are standout pros. However, users should also weigh the costs and risks of trading in a highly volatile market. For those ready to navigate the ups and downs of crypto with confidence, Gemini is a solid platform, offering both simplicity and robust tools for more advanced strategies.